Pain. It's something we all feel. It comes without warning. It enters your heart, your life, your mind, and sometimes it stays. Pain does not ask for permission. It does not knock. It just walks in. Suddenly your world changes. You feel lost, alone, and broken. But let me tell you a truth. Pain is not your enemy. Yes, it hurts. But pain has a purpose. It's not here to destroy you, it's here to shape you. Every person who becomes strong, every soul that shines, has walked through the fire of pain. Pain builds you silently. Think about a tree in a storm. The wind hits it, the rain breaks its branches, but that tree does not fall. Its roots go deeper, its base becomes stronger. That's what pain does to you. It does not just test you, it trains you. It teaches you things that comfort never can. It shows you who your real friends are. It shows you what truly matters. It teaches you how to be brave even when you are scared. Real strength is born in darkness. When everything is easy, you don't grow, you stay soft, you stay safe. But when life gets hard, when you cry alone at night, when you feel empty, rejected, or betrayed, that's when the real transformation starts. Real strength is not built when you are laughing, it's built when you are breaking and still moving forward. You may not see it now, but every tear you cry, every night you feel lost, every time you feel like giving up, is making you unshakable. The power hidden in pain. Why do some people rise from nothing? Why do some come out of pain even stronger? Because they don't run from it, they face it, they learn from it, they grow through it. They say, this pain will not break me, this pain will make me, and they are right. They stop asking why me, they start saying try me. They take their wounds and build wisdom, they take their failures and build a fire. That's how pain turns into power. The silent battles you fight. No one sees the war inside you. No one hears your silent prayers. But you fight anyway. You smile. When you are broken, you walk. When you feel paralyzed, you help others while you are bleeding inside, and that is true courage. The world may never know what you are going through, but one day it will know who you become because of it. Keep going even when it hurts. There will be days when getting out of bed feels impossible. There will be moments when you ask yourself, is this pain ever going to end? The answer yes, but only if you keep going. Don't stop, not now, not after coming this far. Your pain is not punishment, it's preparation. It's preparing you for something greater, something stronger, something you were born for. So don't quit. Your comeback is coming. One day everything will make sense. You will look back and say, that pain was my beginning. You will stand tall, you will speak with strength, you will walk with power, and people will ask you, how did you survive? And you will answer, I did not just survive, I came back stronger because pain made me strong. Let them see your scars, let them hear your story, because your journey will inspire millions. Your pain will help others heal. Your strength will give others hope. Say this to yourself. Repeat after me. I will not give up. I will not break. I will rise from this. I will heal. I will grow, I will become stronger because pain is not the end, it's the start of my new power. You were not made to be weak. You were made to shine, to overcome, to rise, not matter how many times you fall. So trust the process, embrace the pain, turn your wounds into wisdom, and never forget pain makes you strong,